Hey everybody, it's Neil. Check out what I have here from FiNESTONE. This is going to be a watch band, titanium band for our Apple Watch. It's mostly for the Ultra, but maybe it would fit onto my, this one here, the other one that I have here. Let's go ahead and give this thing a little try. Let's see. I'll show you guys what we have here. This is what the band looks like. It's kind of a silver titanium. I have a black band on mine currently, but let's see what we get. Okay, so if you haven't used these watch bands before, they're really simple. Oh, well, this has got plastic all over it. But, okay, okay, there we go. Now it's a watch band without plastic. Okay, so it's got a nice, good feel to it. It feels titanium-y. So this here will slide into the band. I've got it with the light facing me. Oh, it actually does fit on this one here. And there. Okay, so there we go. Actually, that fits pretty good. So there we go. So now I have a titanium silverish band on my watch. And check it out. And the way these kind of work here, I think they just you squeeze this to open it. And you can put it on and close them up. For me, this band needs to be way shortened, but you get the idea of it here. It's really a fine band. So, and to shorten these, it's really simple. It comes with the little apparatus here. You unscrew this here, and you see it's got that pin on it. And then you put this, line it up. We see those have those little holes in them. You just line it up with the little hole, and then as you screw it in, the little pin comes out. And then you just put it back in and you take out a couple of loops or whatever you need. So super easy to do. Really nice looking band. So I'm gonna say this one here's a winner. It really looks good. So if I had the silver watch, which I have the Ultra in the silver, but that one there would totally match it and look awesome. So thumbs up on that.